I miss my chance to win a date with Manay. Ay, ay, ay. This is funny. I like this. I like this conversation. I like this conversation, really. Really, really. My sleepiness is going away. So, you are 48 or 47 years old? Tumpak. Tumpak. Yes. Yes, you're right. Francis the Great. I am 47 years old. I'm going to 48 years old. Okay? So, that is my age. Okay? So, now, what is your age? Aha. So, David, ay, ay, ay. I am 10 years younger than you, host. My goodness, you're a kid. Okay, host. Oh, okay, Francis. Wow! I am invisible boy. I'm a invisible boyfriend. Invisible. Thank you, David. Wow. Wow. Okay. Thank you, David. Yeah, he is my invisible boyfriend. Ay, ay, ay. David Wish. David Wish. David Wish. Come to the Philippines, David, and marry here. David, I said, Frances, David said he is too late, okay? I am already taken from another man, okay? I'm already taken from another man, and David was so late to come. David was so late to come. She is taken. Yes. She is taken right there, oh. Right there. I'll show you his picture. Right there. That is his picture. She has a good boyfriend. Very nice guy. Yeah. You two, David, are nice, but it's too late. He's my boyfriend. Okay. Your husband is an AFAM? My husband was an AFAM. Yes. Was an AFAM. And he died. And he died last year. And now I have a new boyfriend, which is him. Okay. Which is him. Last year of October. Last year of October, um, I did my I did a contest. I did a contest of who, okay, of who I when someone, okay, it's all guys, okay, it's all guys which is single, and then I told him who wants to date with me, and if you wanna date me for the first time, what would you do? What would you do when you date me for the first time? Your boyfriend looks like he works at the nuclear power plant. Huh? How do you know? How do you know? How do you know he works at the nuclear power plant? Oh, she works in the nuclear. Are you working at the nuclear power plant, honey? Hmm? She didn't tell me about the contest. You were too late to come. You only came last month. You only came last month. He has a white uniform. Okay. Okay, I will not show you that. Okay, I will just show you his picture right here.